So I have two slides, one on VOPS, which is an XR-related normative work, and the other one is avatar call. So VOPS was completed, and VOPS is a harmonization of the video specs in stereo MV-HEVC. There's a new spec created 26265, and it basically adds decoding capabilities and operation points for single frame packing HEVC and two MV-HEVC profiles with detailed requirements on bit streams such as mapping of eyes to views, ensuring consistent color space assignments, and so on. The main purpose is really to ensure that we have a consistent packager that is aligned in place across iOS and Snapdragon devices. So Snapdragon for us, but generally maybe Android devices. The U impact is what is documented here. That's from a U implementation. It defines the profile for AVC and HVC and includes the MV-HEVC probe line. And the status spec is completed. There could be some bug fixes for consistency. So it's currently reviewed by more product teams. We hope to produce conformance bit streams by the end of 2025 to support product development. And any support and sponsoring for in-top bit streams to would be welcome. I'm glad that I have somebody from ATEM on. That reminds me I need to go back to ATEM to help us here. And there's a release 20 study started to extend further for depths, alpha, other optimizations. Could also be more views and so on. So the study is open, but it builds on top of this more or less MV-HEVC profile. And the companies interested there were more were really like people who have services and devices. Like Apple was the chair. I was editing the spec. Xiaomi, Samsung, Xiaomi leads the conformance efforts. Samsung was very diligently reviewing this, and then also from the service providers, Orange, CMCC, Tencent were involved. Okay, yes, questions.